You got two of them?
No, not quite yet.
Oh, you working on that one?
I just might be, yeah.
Nobody else over here. You can use that power strip.
Oh, but this is what I like. It's on its lowest setting now.
That's it?
That's barely moving.
Yeah.
I think
Actually,
that's...
You didn't
can
finish the
change the
sentence.
setting.
Barely moving air is what the...
Yeah.
It's a screw inside the switch.
And you can adjust
In the
that,
back,
make
you
it
use a
faster.
tiny screwdriver, you can slow it down, you can speed it up. That's as slow as it'll go without stalling.
Wow.
I already adjusted that.
Ooh.
Oh, that's a variable speed.
Variable speed. I have 3 of them.
Was that about what it was sound from the factory?
No, they were a little faster than that.
Wow.
I slowed it down because I like the slow speed.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. I'd buy it, but I was nothing. It's like